Hey, it's Holly, and I am so sorry we haven't been putting out videos, but as you can see, we've been doing a lot of work here at the Proper Pineapple. I've got a whole new set, essentially, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. What do you guys think? Isn't it cute? It's a little more simple, so that we can focus on the crochet and the knitting of it, not so much the craziness that is me. Anyways, today was a great day because we are going to do an unboxing. Isn't it great? So the wonderful people over at Hobium Yarns, I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen, Hobium Yarns. There will be a link in the description box, okay? They contacted me about doing a collaboration. They were going to send me some yarn to maybe make a pattern and some yarn for a giveaway, which I was like, of course my pineapple peeps want a giveaway. So here it is. We're going to open it up and I will show you the stuff I picked out to make a pattern with and the stuff that's for a giveaway. I have, as you guys can see, it's completely sealed. I have not opened this. I'm so excited. And then we're going to talk all about Hobium, okay? So let's get to the opening of it. Okay guys, I've been like waited all day. I'm so excited. I'm going to cut this package open with my pretty floral scissors. Don't you guys love getting, I don't even know where to start because oh my gosh, I would cry so much if I like accidentally snip some yarn. I would like, I'd still use it, right? I'll weave those ends in. I'm still using it. Oh my, ooh, it's something tealy, kind of aqua, green, maybe? I don't know. It's a bag. Let's see. We're just like cutting the top right off. So it says right on there, Hobium.com, which again, there's a link right down in the description box. Oh my, this, oh, I see the stuff I had told them I wanted to work with on the top. Look at this adorable bag. Isn't this cute? So cute. All right, I'm gonna lay it down. So, ooh, I see some stuff. So I'm gonna get out the 5 things I know I picked. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we're gonna look at the stuff for you because I told her, she asked me what I'd want for the giveaway, and I said, you pick, send me some stuff that you know would be fun and my subscribers would like. So I have no idea what she sent for the giveaway. But for me, I picked, let me see if I can get them kind of in order here. She told me to go through her site. They're not gonna be in order, or they're gonna be in order, but they're kind of messy, and pick anything I wanted to do a design with. And when I saw these, at first I saw one of them, I was like, that's not really my color. But when I looked and saw all the colors, I instantly had an idea for a faded shawl. Look at these beautiful skeins, right? From going all the way from light all the way to dark. So these are from the Lamia line. Let's see if we can see that tag. I might have to cover my face. Boom, Lamia. And it's their natural wool. It's really nice. Very, very nice wool. And it is 100 grams, 218 yards. This is a worsted weight. And I think it's going to make a really nice shawl. It's super soft. Well, I mean, it's not really super soft. I've, obviously felt softer like cashmere and stuff like that, but it's really soft for wool. I really, really like it. This color here is H1. It's kind of a creamy white. The next color, again, it's the same, 100 grams, 218 yards, worsted weight. You would use a 4mm hook is what they're recommending. This color is H3, kind of a taupey. Then we go again, same, everything else. This is H5, which is funny because I don't know where H4 is, but this one is H6. Now we're getting like your darker brown. And then finally, I believe this is H7, is like a chocolate. Very, very nice. I think you guys are gonna have to wait. I'm going to be making a pattern for this, and I probably will just be sharing that here on the channel because they did donate to me, so I want to make sure to get the pattern out to everybody. But here are they again, kind of all lined up. Let me cover my face so that it like focuses. Aren't they pretty? It's going to be a very subtle fade from dark to light or light to dark, depending on how I decide to do it, guys. But aren't they cute? And these were not that, I mean, you got a really good deal here on this. It's really soft wool, and you got 218 yards. It's really, really nice. I like 100% wool. So stay tuned, guys, for a pattern with these beautiful guys. Ooh, I love them. I'm super excited about that. Oh, it's so pretty. Gotta get them off to the side where I can like keep them safe. Now, the rest of this bag, look at this. This full is all for you guys. All for a giveaway. So let's see what's in the bag together. I'm not even gonna look. I'm just gonna reach in. I'm gonna grab. Oh my word! I want to keep it, but I won't because it's for you. But I will get online and possibly buy this. This is their, guys. This company is from Turkey, and so some of the names are a little different. I'm sorry if I butcher this. Please don't hate me. Kartupu line, and this is the Martayashka Lux. I'm gonna put it up, cover my face. Hopefully it will focus here. I don't know if it's focusing. Possibly. I can't tell. Back it up. Forward. All right, close enough. And it is, oh my goodness. One, can you guys see the sparkle? Look at the sparkle. I don't know if it's picking up on camera. Darling, can you tell, is it picking up on camera? Put that down so you can see now that I know I'm in camera.
Yeah, I want it focused. There you go.
Okay, got it focused. Oh my. It's this lovely cream, a little like tanny, yellowy, a little kind of taupey gray. Oh, and so pretty. Let's see. Made in Turkey. It is acrylic and wool. It is 72% acrylic, 14% wool, 10% Lincoln, and 4% metallic yarn, which is that beautiful sparkle in there. Oh, it's pretty, guys. It is color SOH2139. The naming is not exactly how I like it, but it is absolutely beautiful. Let's see, you get 875 yards. Wow. That is a big one. This is, let's see, it doesn't say what weight this is. It probably says somewhere it's 200 grams. Probably says somewhere. I'm really bad at reading labels, guys. I've just never been good at that. But it recommends anywhere from a 2 to a 5 millimeter hook. I think this is more like a finger, not a fingering, but maybe a DK. And look, I love this. They put this little tag on the center pull. So you don't have to like go fishing in there and pull out your entire center and have a bunch of yarn barf sitting around. You just pull this little tab, which I'm not going to pull because this is for you guys. Oh, but isn't this beautiful, guys? Can you see the colors, guys? Is it showing the colors, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's beautiful. Love the sparkle. Okay, so I'm going to set that off to the side. I'm going to reach in. I'm not looking. Ooh, okay. Some of the yarn got a little wonkety. But this is by Kartapu. Again, if I'm saying it wrong, we'll just put it on the list with the amigurumi something. And we'll, I just can't say that word. Kartapu, and this is their jersey. Oh, this is a 200 gram ball. It's acrylic and wool. 80% acrylic, 20% wool. It is 394. This is a worsted weight, I believe. And it says a 4.5 hook. It is color H1392. And you guys, this is a lot like I believe it was the red velvet from Karen. Gosh, why could I not think of that name? Woo, guys, the blonde is taking over. It looks a lot like that. It's really soft and really, really pretty. I like this. Oh my. She did a wonderful job picking yarns for you guys. Okay, I'm looking. There's a couple more, 2 more yarns, and then some other stuff in the bottom I gotta look at here. Oh, so we got another one of the Kartapu jerseys in this color. Wow, this is an interesting color. It's color H1629. All the same information, 200 grams, 80% acrylic, 20% wool, 394 yards. It's so interesting. Let me put that up there. It's like green, pink, and like a little orange. And at first when I saw it, I was like, that's not really my colors. But then the more I look at it, I could really see this. And then they have like a little demo shawl made up there. And when you look at that, that's really pretty. Wow. I did not even look at these cakes when I was on their website, but I'm gonna have to go back. Don't tell Mr. Miller. I think it's time for a little online shopping. He already knows. Oh, we got another one of these. The Kartapu. I'm just going to put it up there. Let's see if you guys can read it. Hopefully it focuses on it. This one is gorgeous blues and browns. Again, it is 72% acrylic, 14% wool, 10% lincoln, and 4% metallic yarn. And this is color SOH2154. Look at this beautiful blues and browns, you guys. That is so pretty. Oh, and the sparkle. It's really soft too. Look at these cute yarns. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera because we're kind of like really tight, but I will zoom out at the end and we'll like take a look. And then I don't know what else is in the bottom of here. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, we got some other fun little things. Let me grab them. Make sure that that's that. Okay, that's it. So we've got this. They put a little Made with Love by Hobium little tag for you guys to put on like your projects. Made with Love. We got a special 15% off. I'm going to cover the code because this goes to the winner, so I don't want like everybody using it. But a special 15% off coupon that will go in there. We got a couple of stickers. We've got hashtag Love Hobium, and we've got another little knit one that says Love Hobium. I like those. And then these are actually pom-pom makers, you guys. You just put them together like this, fill it up, wrap your yarn, tie a string down the center and cut it. So you guys get little pom-pom makers. Wow. You gotta put me in a home. I can't remember nothing. And then this is one of their bags. It says, all you knit is love. Love Hobium. And oh my goodness. Look at the back of it, you guys. I can't tell you to look, but I'm looking at it so you can't see it. This is not a professional podcast, guys. Look at this. It's a jackalope, right? Oh my goodness. It says, oh my dear, which is so funny because it's a jackalope. It's not a deer at all, but that's so cute. Look, look, look. I want to keep it so bad. But I digress. I'm a giveaway person. I got to give it to you guys because do I really need another bag? No. But do I need a jackalope bag? Yes. So, going to go online because another thing I was going to talk to you about is some of the awesome things about Hobium. So first off, delivery was super, super fast. This was actually supposed to arrive last Friday, which was a day or two since the order had went through, but I was out of town, so it got held at the post office until Monday. But super fast delivery. It's 2-day, let me check because I got it written down, 2-day shipping worldwide. So order your stuff, you get it in 2 days. That's amazing. They accept both PayPal and credit and debit cards, which is nice because I know some people love PayPal, some people hate it. I'm a PayPal person, but you know, I'm not judging. Free shipping over $150 in Europe and North America. So here in the United States, free shipping if you spend over $150, which is not hard because they've got a lot of really great stuff. And there was one more little point. Oh, if you spend more than $50, you get a Hobium bag with a jackalope on it. Well, actually, I don't know. They might have other bags, but hope for the jackalope. So I'm super excited, you guys, to be working with him. This little giveaway for you guys, this will probably be, I don't know, honey. What do you think? Should this just be a giveaway I do, or should this be next month's giveaway? No.
Just give it away.
Just a giveaway. So here's what we're going to do.
Zoom back.
We're going to, yeah, zoom back a little, honey, so that they can see. Hold on. Let me move some stuff here around. I got like, okay, my phone's laying there. A mess. Let me lay out my gradient guy here, which tags up. See, guys, most people would cut, you can't even see them. Let me scoot them this way. Most people would cut all that out. Not on the proper pineapple. Because we're real, folks. Super real. Let me throw my scissors on the floor. Dog, don't play with those. It came in this gorgeous green bag. But come on, jackalopes, guys. You get this. You get your little coupon. I'm going to hide under here so nobody gets the code. 2 of these and 2 of these and the little Made with Love thing. And we're just going to go ahead and make it a giveaway right now. Because you know me, I love giveaways. We'll run this giveaway for, what do you think, week? 2 weeks? A week. We're going to run a week from today. So today is the 25th. I have no idea what next Tuesday is going to be because that involves me flipping the calendar and it's over there. But it's going to run until next Tuesday. And
next Tuesday will be the 2nd.
The second, see, look, that's why I keep Mr. Pineapple around. Math. No, I was kidding. Anyways, we're going to run this to the second. And all you have to do is, one, you have to be a subscriber of this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Then, you should go down to this description box. It will be the first link. Click the link, go to Hobium, check them out, look through their yarns, and tell me in the description, I want you to comment your favorite one from Hobium that you're either going to buy or would like to try, and you will be entered into this giveaway. I will pick a random comment, but I will, of course, make sure that it is commented on Hobium Yarns because that's what this giveaway is all about, you guys. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Subscribe, comment, go to the link, check out all their yarn, and just comment down below your favorite. And, guys, stay tuned for this shawl. I think this is going to be stunning, right? I know you guys know me. I'm more of a neon person, but every once in a while, a girl needs a nice neutral. And let me ask you guys an opinion, because I was actually on Hobium earlier today planning out my next shopping spree, and I found their mohair kid silk in basically the exact same shades as this. Do you guys want me to just make a shawl with this wool, or do you want me to buy the mohair and make a pattern with where you hold the wool and mohair together so it's like kind of a fuzzy? I'll leave that up to you. You guys vote down below what you'd like to see. Just the wool shawl or a wool mohair shawl? Let me know, and I'll get right on it, get it ordered, and make it up a pattern for you guys. I'm so excited about this. I really am going to go and buy more yarn from them. They have a huge cotton line, which I am a big fan of. My best friend Al, hi Al, she is allergic to wool, so she does a lot of crocheting and knitting. Well, crocheting, she doesn't knit yet, with cotton, and they have a bunch of beautiful cottons. So I am very soon going to be buying more from them, so I will be doing another unboxing. Of course, this time it'll be stuff I'm actually purchasing, but this, I mean, I'm sorry, my phone's all in the screen. Super unprofessional. I love that they contacted me and they offered to do the giveaway and give yarn for a pattern, which I thought was wonderful. I am not just saying I like them because they sent me free yarn, because that's just not who I am. I love all of this, and they're really nice people. The shipping, like I said, super quick. And their prices are not ridiculous. You definitely have to go check them out. So, link down in the description. Go check them out, please. Just go look. Let me know what you love. You'll be entered to win. Let's move these guys out the way. Little coupon down there. All of this right here in this little baggie. Oh, and I almost forgot to tell everybody, when you go to their website, on your very first order from Hobium, you get 20% off anyways. So go take advantage of that. Get 20% off. Buy a bunch of yarn. Who doesn't want yarn? And I love getting yarn in the mail because it's like, ooh, yarn Christmas. Okay, guys, I gotta get out of here. Don't forget to enter to win these. I kind of want to keep them, so if nobody enters, they're mine. No, I'm kidding. Giveaway. And stay tuned for a pattern with this lovely, like, browns. And let me know if you want me to add mohair to it or not. I'm kind of excited about that idea. Bye, guys. I'll catch you later. Oh, and let me know if you like the new set. I think it's kind of fun.